Aloha mai kākou o wau o kui o ka ʻōlelo noʻeau kēia pule o ia hoʻi o mai hilahila e waiho ka hilahila ma ka hale. Aloha folks, my name is Kui. The ʻōlelo noʻeau or wise saying for this week is mai hilahila e waiho ka hilahila ma ka hale. Mai hilahila is don't be ashamed. E waiho ka hilahila ma ka hale is leave your bashfulness or your shame at home. Now this proverb or wise saying is for everybody to go out and experience, and don't be afraid to learn. My father always used to tell me, you shame, you make. You shame, you die. Because you need to get out of your shell and learn things, and if you're ever afraid or ashamed to ask for food, you're not gonna get any. Yeah. So mai hilahila e waiho ka hilahila ma ka hale. Don't be ashamed. Don't ever be ashamed. Leave your shyness, your bashfulness at home. Get out and learn something. Okay. Waiho kako.